Now here, as you can see, the PPT submission record. Okay. Now, hello. Now, where we stop our presentation, let's see the computer branch, and enrollment number 1 and 2 is present. Enrollment number 1 and 2, no, absent. 5 and 6, 4 number completed. Number 5 is present. Yes, Kush Patel. Kush, your presentation is start today. Hello, Kush. Reply, please. Hello, Kush. Can you hear my voice properly? Give me the immediate response, please. Hello, Kush. Okay, Kush is not responding. He has some technical issues. Okay, just forget it. Now the number 13 is present. No, absent. 19, 20, 21. 19, 20, 21. Okay, yes, we unmute yourself, please. Hello. Yes, can you hear my voice properly? Okay, sorry. Now, yes, hello. Yes, I allows you to communicate with me. Hello.
Voice is not proper. I need more energy to speak.
Are you feeling well?
No, sir. I have cough and cold.
Okay, so okay, tomorrow you will be ready for this presentation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Next, 31. 31 absent. 33, 34. 34. Jamil.
Yes, sir.
Jamil, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Seven, 0, 34. Jamil, this is your PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start your presentation with your
My name is Jamil Katrodia, and my presentation topic is importance of sport in student life.
Okay.
Sport is one of the top activities bringing great result for people of any age. After playing sport in any age of life, we get physical, mental, and adult strength in our life.
Okay, which sport do you like most?
Cricket.
Cricket.
Yes.
Is some kind of some statistics, some tactics you can utilize in your life. Cricket is helpful to live a good, healthy life. Are you agree with me or not?
Yes.
How?
After playing cricket, our physical life is strong.
Mhm.
Because of it, our leg and hand is also become strong.
Okay. And our brain is become so strong to playing cricket or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we can develop our brain
Me-
through the
me-
cricket.
yes, mental and physical stand playing with any of sport which like us.
Okay. So you can enhance your teamwork. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Your time is over. Now it's enough. Okay. The
Okay.
next. Next, who is present? 36. 36 as absent. 37, Kamani Drew. Drew, unmute yourself. Kamani Drew Sailes bhai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Drew, ready to give your presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 37. Here is your PPT. So you can start your presentation. Career development. Drew, start your presentation.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Dhruv and my topic is career development.
Mm,
So scroll down.
okay.
What
This is
is a
this one?
career development? Career development is an ongoing process of gaining knowledge and improving skills that will help an individual to establish a career plan.
No.
Scroll down. 9 numbers, sir.
9 number. Okay. This one. Hello, Drew.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now start.
There is a few steps to making a career process. First one, discovering yourself.
Hmm.
What are my interests, values, skills?
Hmm.
Discover in yourself.
Hmm.
Second one is exploring option.
Hmm. Hmm.
Third one
For
is
okay,
making
Drew,
a decision.
I'll ask one question. How to develop your career right now in a computer department? What you have decided? How is your plan is implemented?
Sir, I have decided to computer engineering.
Hmm.
Computer engineer.
Your plan is going in a proper way.
Software engineer, sir. Developer.
Okay. But do you believe that your career plan is implemented at the moment? Do you believe that
Yes, sir.
your preparation is going in the right way? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. Thank you. Your time is over. Chalo, next. Which number is present? 36. 36 number present છે. એમણે આપી દીધું છે. ઓકે, સોરી. 40. 40 નથી, 41 છે. સાવલિયા વત્સલ 40 નથી, 41 છે. 41 વ્રજ પટેલ. વ્રજ પટેલ. વ્રજ. વ્રજ, મારો અવાજ સંભળાય છે? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready to give your presentation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 41. Right. Raj, this is your PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now give your introduction and explain 2 or 3 slides. Okay, your time start now.
Okay, sir.
Let's start.
Hello, I am Raj Patel. I am an computer science student from TAPI Diploma Engineering College. Today I am giving the information about TAPI awareness.
Which slide do you want to explain?
Road crashes and accidents. Sir,
Please explain it.
road crashes are happens daily as some are not following traffic rules. As by car race, it also happens. Rash driving. Sorry, sir. Today's young generations are not following the traffic rules. So, as they do not have license at the age of 16, so they destroy the traffic rules.
Okay. For example, how to reduce the number of accidents are happening by the rash driving. Okay. So how to reduce it? What the
Sir,
causes? What the proper step to follow to reduce the accident?
So we have all to follow the traffic rules and be maintained in a line, as we do not have to overtake the person in front of us. If we overtake, there is the accident happens.
Okay, okay. Very good, Raj. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm impressed. So not much more questioning to you. Okay, your time is over. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Now the next is Forty-three. Vasu. Vasu, can you hear me? Hello. 43 enrollment number. Katrodia Vasu. Vasu, unmute yourself. Number 44, Maulik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Maulik, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maulik,
Yes, sir.
this is your PPT and your
Yes.
presentation time start now.
Hello, everyone. My name is Maulik Satisbhai Uppadi. I am in a second semester in a computer branch at TAPI Diploma College. Today, my topic is traffic awareness. Sir, please move on next slide.
Okay.
About traffic awareness. Traffic awareness is necessary for everyone to be aware of a traffic signal and road safety. They not only help in a smooth flow of traffic, but also guide and warn the people on how they should conduct themselves while on the roads. Sir, please
Okay.
move on 6 slide.
Okay, you explain it very good, but Maulik, I'll ask one question. For example, you have driving a car, okay? So
Yes.
which steps you always remember when you drive a car?
First of all, when we overtake, we side light on or
And limited speed.
and limited speed.
Okay, you mean to say traffic awareness, you always wear a seat belt, right? This is the first priority. Okay,
Yeah.
no overrush, right?
Yes.
And you may follow the traffic rules. Then you
Yes.
red and green signal is on, you can follow it properly. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, nicely present. Your time is over. I'm impressed. Okay.
Okay. Thank
Next
you.
one is number 45. Number 45. 45 number, Hek Patel. 45. Hate, unmute yourself. Patel Hate. Hello. Neil, are you completed your presentation? You mean to say you have completed? Recordings. Okay. I place your marks. Okay. It's over. Okay, Neil, you completed. Now, 46. 46, Hasmit. Hasmit, ready? Without PPT presentation, you have get less marks. Okay. Number 47. Number 47, Harsh. Harsh, can you hear me? You are not ready. Why? Harsh, any problem? This is a 2 or 3 minutes. Who is ready to give your presentation of 48, Mayank?
Yes,
Mayank.
sir.
Okay, Mayank, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 48, right?
Sir, 1 minute. I unmute my
Wait.
mic.
Wait. 7048. You have submitted your PPT or yes, it is 1 year. Now, Hasmit, wait for a while. After what's your name? Mayank is completed their presentation. You are ready for your presentation. Okay. Now, Mayank, you can start your presentation.
Yes. Hello, friends. My name is Radharia Mayank Dilip Kumar, and I am presenting my PPT. So, next slide.
Okay.
There are mainly 3 types of environment pollution: natural environment pollution, man-made, and other types. So, I'll explain air pollution. Sir, please, air pollution. Slide.
Air pollution. Yeah. Here is it.
Air pollution is one of the most dangerous forms. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air, just like car emissions, chemical foam, dirt, pollen, and mold spores. So,
How to reduce the air pollution? You have think about it. This is the major problems for us at the moment.
grow more trees.
Okay, grow more trees, and you initiated and you can started the movement to people understand what is the benefit of more trees, grow more trees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And where do you have seen that the air polluted mediums like factory chimneys are more polluted the air?
Yes, yes.
Which other factors do you marking?
Like factories, pollutions, vehicles, etc.
Okay, very good. I'm impressed. Now your turn is over. Thank you. The next is 49. 49 you completed. Okay. 50. Harpal. 50. Modasya Harpal. Harpal, unmute yourself. Hello. Harpal, unmute yourself. Okay, Hasmeet. Harpal, wait a minute. Hasmeet, are you ready? Hello. Hasmeet, I can't hear your voice properly. Your voice is lagging. You can set up yourself in a proper position where the network is better. Hasmeet. Hasmeet,
Yes,
speak
sir.
loudly. Okay, Hasmeet, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your number? 46. Okay. Now quickly give your introduction and come to the point. Your time start now.
My name is Hasmeet Kukadia. I am a student of Tapil Diploma Engineering College. Today will be the presentation and my topic is about pollution. So
Okay.
please next time.
Okay.
About pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. Pollution is introduction of contaminant into the natural environment that cause an adverse change. Pollution can take the form of chemical substance on energy such as noise, heat, or light. Pollution damages the quality of water and land.
Okay, I'll ask one question. You introduce what is called pollution, but do you believe that the pollution has already affect our body? What kind of effects through the pollution in our body,
The pollution
human body?
is like breathing problem,
Hmm. We feel anxiety.
infection.
I cannot hear your voice properly. Speak loudly. Yes, speak.
Pollution can lead to problem of man or lung infection, noise
Mhm.
and
Okay, there are the many kinds of pollutions, air pollution, the water pollution, but the pollution is the biggest issues at the moment. Do you believe that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now your time is over. I place your marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, uh, Neil, there is no need to any questioning with you. Okay. Now the next number is 40. Which number is number 50? 50. Harpal. Harpal, are you ready? Harpal, unmute yourself. Hello. Seta Taral. Taral. It's okay, Harpal. Tomorrow, you please corrected your mic, okay? I'll extended your presentation one day after, okay? Taral Seta, unmute yourself. What's your problem? You please explain in our chat box. Next, 53, Harshil. Harshil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready to give your presentation?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Harshil, what's your enrollment number?
53.
53, okay. Now this is your PPT and you can start your presentation with introduction. Okay, your time start now.
Hello friends, my name is Malavi Arsil Rajubhai. Sir, next slide.
Okay.
Down. What we can do for air water pollution? Fix your snail water taps. Wash vegetable and fruits in bowl. Because sir, can I explain Gujarati?
Yes.
આપણે શાકભાજી અને ફળો બાઉલમાં ધોવા જોઈએ કારણ કે
જેનાથી પાણીનો બચાવ
તેમાં
થાય.
હા
Okay.
collect and recycle rising water to water plant. Sit down. Don't leave the tap on while you brush your teeth. આપણે બ્રશ કરતા હોઈએ ત્યારે પાણીનો નળ ખુલ્લો ન મૂકવો જોઈએ તેથી પાણીનો બચાવ થઈ શકે.
હા, બીજી એક ક્વેશ્ચન એવો પૂછું છું કે તું એ ઘણા બધા એવા જનરલ પોઈન્ટ્સ લીધા છે કે જે આપણી ડેલી રૂટીન લાઈફને રિલેટેડ છે, બરાબર?
યસ સર.
ઓકે, તો પાણીનો મોટા પ્રમાણમાં બચાવ કરવો હોય તો શું પ્લાન કોઈ છે પ્રોપરલી તારા માઇન્ડમાં કે કેવી રીતના બચાવ કરી શકાય અને આપણે એને યુટિલાઇઝ કરી શકાય, રિસાયકલ કરી શકાય કે પછી રીયુઝ કરી શકાય, ફિલ્ટર કરી શકાય?
પાણી આપણે પૂરતું જ વાપરવું જોઈએ જેમ કે ડેલી રૂટીન માટે શાકભાજી ધોવામાં, ટોયલેટ એક્સેટ્રા.
Okay, chalo, very good, fine. Your presentation is over. 53. Now the next is $60. Yes. Here is another. Okay. Next is 53. Then after 54. Jit. Jit, ready? Yes, Jit. Okay. Now we come to your presentation. Okay, this is your PPT. Now,
yes, sir.
You have prepared your PPT fantastically, so you can do your introduction and complete explain in detail. Okay.
Yes. Myself Jeet Kanani and I am from batch C and today's topic is save water. So next slide.
Okay.
So first of all, we will talk about why water is important for our life. So water is most important necessity for our life for all living being on the earth. Without water, no one can exist for even one day. That we all know because our body is made up of 70% of water itself. And as we all know that drinking water and fresh water is very low in percentage. There is only now 2% of fresh water left, and we have to save for our future generation also.
Okay, Jit, you have present a very important points to us, but I'll ask one question: how to save the water?
There are many different ways by we can rainwater. First of all, rainwater harvesting. We can collect all the rain water from the rain, and then second one is we can refilter all the water, dirty water.
Very good. This is a very effective point to be noted in save water. So everybody understand this is our future. Life is so secure if we follow this kind of process. Neil, you have given a very important details to us. Thank you. Your presentation is over. Okay, and your mark is placed. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Now The only 8 minutes left in this meeting, so I'll take your attendance first, and then after move to the presentation. Okay, so stay in meeting. I'll take your attendance screenshot. Okay, your attendance is completed, but I'll tell you, because we stop our meeting because I have to prepare your mid result right now. So I can stop our meeting just before 5 minutes. Okay, so understand this is my responsibility. So I can fulfill my responsibility. So we can stop our meeting 5 minutes early. Do you have a question? You please immediately ask me. Otherwise, we will meet you tomorrow. Do you have a question? Yes or no? If you have not any queries, in a few days later, 2 or 3 days later, so you can wait for 2 or 3 days. After that, you can see your mid results. Okay, so we will meet you in the next lecture. Have a nice day. Goodbye. For first sem result I don't have any idea about it, because GTU has not given us any clues related to the first sem result. But I'm pretty sure about the mid sem result. Okay, I don't know about the GTU first sem result. Okay, so we will meet you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. No, Mohek, if it is requirements to take a remit, I'll inform you in your WhatsApp group. Okay, but nobody is unsuccessful in mid exam in computer department. 2 or 3 students are absent, so there is the issue. Okay, now that's all. That's it. We will meet you tomorrow.